Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Dota 2. This helps if you need to free disk space, fix corrupted files, or take a break from the game. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find Dota 2 in your game list. Right-click it and select Manage. Click Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall. Steam removes the game files from your drive, which can free over 66 gigabytes of storage depending on updates. This option exists so you can fully remove the game without leaving broken files behind. If you plan to reinstall later, back up your game files first. Right-click Dota 2. Select Properties. Then head to Installed Files. Select Backup Game Files so you do not lose important data. And that's how to uninstall Dota 2. Thank you so much for watching.